Hello viewers, welcome to Eagle YouTube, and in today's video I want to show you a quick tutorial how to download a video from Facebook, any video from Facebook. But before we get into our tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, please like the video, and of course tap the bell icon, select all videos in order to turn on all notifications for my YouTube channel, and do not miss out on my new uploads. Okay, let's begin. I assume many of you have wanted to download videos from Facebook, but as you know, it's not that easy. Although there are many methods out there to download it, like applications from Play Store, from third-party apps, even from App Store on iOS, and well, pretty much many others. However, this method is going to be quite simpler than using an app. So first of all, step one is to open Facebook and choose a video you want to download. So I open my Facebook and okay, and yeah, I'll, if there is any on my home newsfeed, so to say. It's the newsfeed, I think. Hold on. Not sure about. Alright, where is the any videos? That's not a video. Video. So here's a video, right? It's a video. Now what you want to do is wait, what? No, should offer to copy something here. Let's tap these three dots and then copy the link of the post. Step two is to open either Chrome or Opera browser. I have, as you can see right here, I have two Opera browsers. I'm going to be using Opera Beta, and sorry, that's the other video that I was watching. For fuck's sake, I'm gonna close this down. Yeah, sorry about that. Now go to the address bar and paste in the link you just copied from Facebook, and go to that link. Once you're there, you should be able to view the post. Okay, as you can see, here's the post. Go to the link again and go to and then type in the word basic and hit the enter, or in my case go button. Alright, now as you can see, I'm in the basic version of Facebook. This will simply change the Facebook looks a little bit and will offer you the download button. Now what you want to do is go to the video, I'll be right back. I have to sign into my account. Alright guys, I am back. Sorry about that. I have to sign into my account to access the next page. I don't know, Facebook messed up. They don't really allow anymore to view posts without signing into the account. So do keep in mind that you're gonna have to do that as well. So as you can see, this is the video again. And now you can you press the three dots and you'll get a download button. Tap the download button and you'll be offered to download the video. Hit the download again. As you can see, there's this notification right here that says one download is complete. If I tap on that, it will show that I have downloaded the video. Well, it shows 4 videos, but the 3 at the bottom, they're irrelevant right now because I deleted them from my phone. So I'm removing them from here. But here's the video that we downloaded together, so to say. The new video. It's downloaded and playing. So you can download a video from Facebook. Thank you for watching, and of course, and don't forget to join my Discord community, which will be linked below. And if you want to watch more videos, I'll link below my channel where you can go to and then choose from other videos to watch. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next one.